Well, while we are dealing with heat, several states are cleaning up after tornadoes. We've learned 3 people in upstate New York died Saturday when a twister tore through the small town of Clark Mills. The National Weather Service has confirmed it was an EF1 tornado with wind speeds of up to 95 miles per hour.
And take a look at this. New video shows tornadoes over the weekend in North Dakota. 3 people died about 60 miles southwest of Fargo. Thousands of homes also lost power. Now first responders are going door to door to actually check on some of those neighbors. And a reminder, we're streaming the WCNC weather impact forecast all day long live on WCNC Plus. And at 6:30 every weeknight, we have a half hour devoted entirely to weather that impacts you. Download WCNC Plus wherever you stream and start watching for free.